Hey guys, welcome to another Sherman Oaks property tour. I'm Alan Taylor. I show the best and most beautiful homes in Sherman Oaks, Studio City, Encino, and surrounding San Fernando Valley. Today I'm going to show you this incredible custom-built home. And when I say custom, you'll see when you see the video on this house, this is not the same new construction home that you see. This is a $5 million home on a beautiful, nearly 2/3 of an acre lot. Custom built, designed by the owners for themselves, and offered for sale for the first time since they built it. So if you're looking for something special, you're gonna wanna check this house out. It's highlighted by the fact that you can put 10, 15 cars on the property, maybe 20. It's got around a 3,000 square foot main residence and then about a 2,000 square foot guest house with the most incredible garage you've ever seen. So make sure you stay till the end and let's take a look at this house. So here we are entering the property. As you can see, it's gated. There's an identical gate on the other side. And before we get started, I mean, this is a 28,337 lot. So it's a little bit more than half an acre, nearly 3/4 of an acre on a lot. And you can see just from the front elevation alone that this is an incredibly designed Beverly Hills style estate. This is not something that you see often in the valley, and it's absolutely sensational. I can't wait to show you. You've got this beautiful jacaranda tree, all these poda carpets for privacy. And as you can see, it circles around to the other side. So you've got parking for 4 cars in the garage. There's a loft above the garage. There's another garage back there. Privacy hedges everywhere. I mean, this is an absolute sanctuary. This is something you cannot find. It was built here in this location without question because Chandler has the lots. Chandler is in a beautiful street. I'll show you real quickly. It's got this median here in the middle. Most people don't know it, but this was actually designed originally to have public transportation. There are acre, half acre, 3/4 acre lots in this location. So there's a lot of really nice and expensive homes that are built here in this area. So let's take a look at the house, guys. Well, before we go inside, I'm gonna show you a little bit more of the grounds and the front elevation. Just stunning. I mean, if you look at the house, you can just see how much detail and charm, all these different pop-outs, all the elevation changes, the entryway, the dormers, the fireplace, the spindle at the top, like all these, the slate roof. This is a slate roof, which is very expensive. And as you can see, it provides a richness that you just don't get with like a composition shingle roof. Oh, and by the way, there's another garage over here. Actually, that's just an entrance to the other garage that we just saw on the other side. And then here's the other double gate. Beautifully landscaped. And all these custom interlocking brick pavers, which are really nice. And let's take a peek, guys. Well, here's the front door. I'll show you the front entry. A couple things in here that are really modern and interesting, that like a juxtaposition from the traditional style of this house. By the way, it's got a smooth coat stucco on the outside, which has a really good look. I like the smooth coat. It just gives it like a really fine finish. But check out this front door here. It's steel, practically indestructible, and just kind of a fun, exciting, different, design choice just to create the entry to the home. So let's go inside. All right, so here we are inside, and the first thing you're gonna notice, of course, is this incredible vestibule, this ultra-high ceiling here that creates a magical front entry. Here you've got a divider that separates the formal dining room. So to this way, we've got a big formal living room, and then let's get started over here. So laundry room is here. Beautiful cabinetry and a skylight, recessed lighting. The thing you'll notice about this house is the condition, and obviously that being custom built and in beautiful condition everywhere you look. So on this side of the house, we've got 1 bedroom, which is separate from the other ones. And check out the detail. Look at the inset lighting, big skylight, French window doors to the outside. I'll just show you real quickly. So you got this little sitting area out here and a patio, which is lovely. Fine finishes everywhere you look. Frameless glass shower enclosure. Check out the finishes. Check out how they did the kind of this interesting finish on the glass shower enclosure. They did a beautiful job. Here's your vanities. So this is a fine, kind of probably a soapstone or some kind of a limestone. Green slate floors are in beautiful condition. It has a really nice color and balance as well with the carpeting. And this room itself here also has a really nice walk-in closet. So you can see the scale of this room is incredible. Probably designed to be a guest bedroom. And then I'm going to show you over here, one more bedroom on this side. So first thing you do, you got a powder bath right here, which also has a shower and tub combo. And then here is the second bedroom. So the second bedroom over here, which also connects to the main living area, is well appointed. It's got the same kind of cove ceiling with the skylight, also with a set of French doors that goes to that patio that I was showing you on the outside, also with its own walk-in closet. So when you come in the entry of this home, the first thing you're gonna see is this beautiful formal dining space that's separated by these partitions and dividers. Here's the family room in the home. So it's got a formal living room on the other side, but this is basically where you hang out. Kind of feels like Hawaii. You got these really beautiful wall of glass here that separates the outside and the in, but you would never even know it's there. So it feels like you're inside the home, but looking out. And check out this incredible lot. 28,000 square feet on the lot. It's got a beautiful limestone pool. This is the guest house over here in the back with the garage, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But before we do that, let's go back inside. Here we've got bedroom number 2 downstairs, also again with the skylight. This is another angle of that same bedroom that I just showed you, but it has a doorway off the main room. Here's another angle of the family room, and let's take a look at the kitchen. Incredible finishes and detail throughout. Take a look at this cabinetry. I mean, the thing you'll notice when you look at this video is you're gonna tell that this house is not like any other home that's available for sale in Sherman Oaks or Studio City. This is like fully custom. I believe this is a soapstone. It's in beautiful condition. Zero edge cabinetry with the poles, modern and contemporary. So when this was built, this was like one of the most incredible homes in all of Sherman Oaks. Check out this beautiful Thermador range. Look at how clean it is, and these people live here. I mean, it's absolutely spotless. So you got plenty of counter space, as you can see, that goes all the way over here, all the way over here. Check out this cool bay window. Very expensive to pull this off. There's your hummingbird feeder, so you can sit here and wash your dishes and watch the hummingbird. How cool is that? Double sub-zero fridge right here and freezer. And then you've got this fantastic little breakfast area here that also overlooks the family room. And I can't wait to show you up here. This is the James Bond office.
The name's Bond. James Bond.
There are a couple features of this house that are gonna blow your mind. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you this James Bond office. So you come up this metal staircase, you're probably wondering, what's going on with this staircase? I'm gonna show you in a minute. So check out this office. So you got plenty of storage over here, multiple spaces for decks, really great architecture. And this is where your main desk area space is, right? So you kind of look this way. And the cool part is you can kind of be in this office here looking through the walls of glass that are angled here so that you can basically be in the office and not just looking at a wall, right? They easily could have extended this floor out to create a flat wall that basically would have made the room. But the benefit and the beauty of this design is that because this this floor comes to here, and doesn't go all the way, it creates a much more higher ceiling in that space there, which is dramatic. And I just love it. So again, skylights everywhere, little storage nooks. Wait till you see what happens with this stairs, guys. All right, watch this. What? So look at the staircase goes up, and you can go down. I think this is the coolest thing I've probably ever seen as a real estate agent. So this is your home theater down here. It also serves as a panic room. It's got a concrete subfloor. It's below grade, but this is where the theater is. You can hear the sound is dead. It could be a recording studio. It can be whatever you want, but it's currently set up as a theater. So the chairs are taken out, but obviously they would go there. But I just think that that is the coolest thing. So I'm gonna take you up here real quick. I'm gonna close the stairs back up. Bye-bye theater. I don't know about you guys, but I think that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna finish off the main house here by checking out the primary. So again, the main house has got 3 bedrooms, all really big in size. It's got a nice size walk-in closet, 2 walk-in closets. So you got a walk-in closet over here, you've got a walk-in closet over there, and then you've got the luxurious primary retreat. Giant room. I mean, just space for, chairs, sitting areas over here, fine finishes everywhere you look, incredible detail. And I love the view out of the shades are down, which makes sense. But it's got a Japanese maple out there, which is really a nice touch. Double door entry into the primary bath, which is luxurious as you can see. Plenty of room to sit, bathe, whatever you want to do. Also fine finishes here. This is, I don't know what this is. This is probably like a polished soapstone. Oh, everything in here is extremely expensive and very well thought out. Fully custom. You got vanities on both sides of the bathroom. Love the fixtures here. I mean, the highest quality everything. Standing shower over here, tub here, and then water closet over there. Also with a makeup vanity. All right guys, time to go outside. So before we go fully outside, you can see it's got this beautiful covered veranda here. Also finished with the smooth stucco, custom lights. So you can easily put a sitting area out here if you want. 28,000 feet again on the lot. You got the waterfall feature fountain going on the pool. This goes back to the kitchen right here. It's beautiful sand finish, concrete, and pavers. So here's the second driveway, I should say. Remember you had the around the corner. So this is the living room here. So off the entry, you've got this massive living room, which is perfect for entertaining or parties, whatever you want to do. And it's got doors on this side that come out here. That's Chandler over there. And then so you've got all this parking. I mean, you could park 25 cars on this property. You've got this really cool covered space here, so you can put like all your cool cars as they're being washed or detailed. And then this is this is almost a house in itself. So I'm gonna show you this space, which you're gonna love it. So as you can see, the architecture is the same as the other house. Check out this garage here. So this is like a very large motor coach style van. You've got beautiful concrete floors. Check out all the high ceilings. I mean, this is an absolute beast of a garage. You've got shuffleboard. And then over here, you've got another garage. So that was the garage door that I just showed you from the other side, which they're using more as storage. So they've got racks here. And there's a garage door that goes to the outside. So I mean, you could fit, let's see, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4 with the racks there. You could do 5, 6, maybe 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And take a look at that cool, what is that? Like a racing, I'm talking about that thing up there hanging in from the rafters, racing car. So you can fit like 20 plus cars on this property. So if you're a car guy, this is a place you're gonna wanna check out. So this is the guest house. This is like the family room and the sleeping area. If you're gonna have guests come over for an extended period of time, this is where they would live. I would live here in a second. Check out the view. You've got your sitting area here, massage chair, desk, beautiful curtains and windows. Here's your little in-house kitchen. I like that they went with this finish, which is more like kind of industrial, but very fine. More space here for a chair and a sitting area. This is the bathroom here. This also doubles as a pool bath. As you can see, it's got beautiful slate and glass. And there's your door to the outside so that you can use the restroom if you need to. There's your vanity. And then here's the bedroom. So this is the sleeping area for the guest house. It's like calm and quiet and relaxed and has a great vibe. It's got concrete floors that are, smooth to the touch. And I just love the view of the backyard. So I'm gonna take you outside and show you the grounds of this property, and then we're gonna wrap it up. So again, fully custom Beverly Hills estate. You cannot find anywhere. Beautiful pool, fountain feature. Check out the privacy. Cannot see your neighbors. Mature podocarpus trees, more jacarandas. Take a look at the jacuzzi and the waterfall coming off of there. Super expensive and rich. I believe this is a limestone coping. So check out the swim up bar. So you got seating for 4, and then you've got this little step down area here. I mean, these guys thought of everything. So you come down here, everyone's hanging out, and boom, you're serving drinks, everyone's having a good time. I mean, this is like an absolutely wonderful party house. Outdoor shower right here so you can clean the chlorine off. You've got a swing, and you've got these really cool giraffe statues. Hey, buddy. Guys, this is a sensational property. If you're looking for something special, I mean, look at this view right here. It feels like I'm in Hawaii or a Beverly Hills estate. This is not something that you're gonna find easily anywhere in the San Fernando Valley. So if you're looking for something special, check it out. Again, it's 3 bedrooms over here. The 4th one's here. It's about 5,000 square feet in total, and you're gonna wanna check it out. Follow us, guys. Subscribe to this channel if you wanna see more of the best real estate that Sherman Oaks, Encino, or Studio City has to offer. We've got buyer and seller guides down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. First time home buyer in Silver Lake and you wanna live in Silver Lake, this is definitely a house you're gonna wanna check out. I'm gonna do a property walkthrough of this really sweet, adorable